How to reset Roblox password. So right here from the login screen, we want to select this option, forgot password or username. Now you will be given two options of how you can reset your password. First, we can use our email address to reset our password, or if we have put our phone number, then we can choose this. And here we can type out our US or our country's phone number. Now, I'm going to show you how we can do this with email. So I'm just going to do use email to reset password. And here we will type out our email address. But we have to pay attention to this. If you did not give us a real email address when you created your account, we cannot send you an email. So hopefully you gave them your actual email address. So here we want to type it out and we'll click on submit. And it will tell us that an email with instructions has been sent to us, and if the email was previously saved on our account. So I'm going to go to my email box and I'm going to show you how we can reset this. Okay, so it's going to look like this. Hello, we have received a request to reset your password for your account. If you submitted this request, please click on the button below to proceed. So we just want to click on reset password here. And it's going to ask us which account we want to reset the password for. So select the account which you want to reset the password for, and here it will tell us that we have to create a new password and we cannot use our old password, or shouldn't. Here you will just type out your new password and confirm it, so type it out once more, and then you have to click on submit, and that's how you reset your password on Roblox. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.